Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Soak 1/2 cup wheatgrass seeds in room temperature water for 8 to 12 hours to rehydrate the kernels. This jumpstarts germination. While seeds soak, prepare a 10x 10-inch shallow tray and add 2 inches of sterile potting mix with good drainage. Rinse soaked seeds and drain thoroughly, then sprinkle them evenly across the soil surface to avoid clumping. Press gently to ensure seed-to-soil contact. Leave no more than a single layer of seeds so roots can spread horizontally, and the decor will look dense and uniform. Cover the seeded tray with a thin damp towel or another tray for 48 hours. Darkness and humidity promote quick germination. Check once a day and mist gently so the towel and seeds stay moist, not dripping. Remove the cover after 48 hours when small roots appear. Place the tray where it receives 6 to 8 hours of indirect light daily, or use a 6500K LED grow light on a 16:9 cycle for an evenly lit display. Mist twice daily and keep soil consistently damp for the next 7 to 10 days. When blades reach about 6 inches tall, trim decorative wheatgrass with clean scissors for a neat topiary look. Leave roughly 1/2 inch of stem above soil to discourage rot. Display trays on a shallow saucer to catch excess water and protect surfaces. Rotate trays weekly to keep growth even, and replace potting mix every 3 to 4 harvests to reduce pest buildup. If you want a longer display, stagger sowing dates every 3 to 4 days, and avoid direct hot sun to keep blades bright green and resilient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.